11 Dover Lane at Baliganj in Kolkata was the house built by Justice Sir B.B. Ghosh, a vast area with open ground, a large pond, a sprawling mansion with gardens. Sri Alok Ghosh lived here with his family. His father, Amen Ghosh, supported Alok Ghosh's enthusiasm in the Boy Scouts movement and his eagerness to open an open group in the grounds of the house. That's how 24th Ashoka Group was started in 1936. Boys from the neighborhood and all over the South Calcutta aged 6 onwards began to join the group. Its activities became so well known that boys from other areas too started to come. As it was not tied to any institution, quite a few members continued to retain their connection with the 24th even after they became adults working in different professions. After 30 years, group opened for girls too. Its first Girl Guides section was formed. Later, Bulbuls also became part of the group. Alok Ghosh, who became the state chief commissioner of Bharat Scouts and Guides in West Bengal, was very enthusiastic and developing the character of boys from a young age. He wrote songs for the Cubs and held group sessions regularly after office till 60s. If he was delayed at work, his wife Geeta Ghosh used to tell stories from the classics to the little boys to keep them occupied. Many cultural programs of the group were also staged there with help of the family. 24th became a part of the family and the grounds of the house was their playing field even on non-group days. Alok Das' mother, known as Boro Ma to the boys and girls, opened her house and heart to all the members of the group. The group headquarters remained at 11 Dover Lane for nearly 50 years till the house changed hands. Alok Ghosh was a director of CESC, Calcutta Electric Supply Corporation, from where he took early retirement in the mid-1970s. He was on the board of Calcutta Improvement Trust and a member of the Perspective Power Planning Committee of the West Bengal government. He was also the president of Calcutta Management Association and received the Lifetime Achievement Award from the Institute of Electrical Engineers. He was the State Chief Commissioner of Bharat Scouts and Guides, West Bengal.
Hello, I'm Vishakha Ghosh, Alok Ghosh's daughter. I was born and brought up at 11 Dover Lane and considered 24th Ashok Group as an extension of the family. As a child, I loved watching the activities and famous people who came to guide the group and judge the various competitions. I remember Mihir Sen, the English Channel swimmer, coming to judge the swimming competition once. As I joined middle school, I, with 2 friends, started lobbying for a Girl Guide section, and that's how it started, with 3 girls. One of the other girls and I became President's Guide. Unfortunately, the group couldn't open a Rangers section, so after school, my active participation stopped, although I continued to attend programs with my father. As I left Calcutta to study in Delhi and later worked in London with the BBC and a Commonwealth organization, I could no longer be part of the movement. But once a guide, always a guide, and 24th Ashok Group will always be part of my family.
I am a member of the Kolkata District SGF. We 6 members of this group are from the 24th Ashoka Group. In our young age, we had scout and guide activities at Mr. Alok Kumar Ghosh residence at Dover Lane. I am associated with Bharat Scouts and Guide from the year 1966.
Good evening. I am Ranjan Nath. I attach to this 24th Ashoka Group, 11 Dover Lane. Since 1960-61, I was then Scout got President Scout badge, and then Rover. When we are Cub, at that time our Akela was led Alok Kumar Ghosh. Under his guidance and training, I got many competition participation and outing, camping, and many more indoor games, outdoor games.
Sri Alok Kumar Ghosh, my mother's first cousin, was a great inspiration for all of us. And later, when I became a guide leader and commissioner, I could feel the full impact of his towering personality and his magnetism. I can recall how he would amuse the little bulbuls and guides by his self-composed action songs. My days spent as a bulbul guide and a flock leader in 24th Ashok Group.
Kumar Dotto in the year 1974. As assistant cub master, I joined 24th Ashoka Group under cub master Srimati Reba Bose. So many memories with 24th headquarter, the 11 Dover Lane. Many times I was in touch with Sri Alok Kumar Ghosh.
I, Varunavo, old member of 24th Group since 1964 as Cub, then Scout. I became President Scout in 1971. Sri Alok Kumar Ghosh is my great inspiration. I remember on his 100th birthday.